Okay guys, just a quick update from the Edge Shed. So I think this is day 3 of a fill-a-thon. We've been fill-a-thoning and going for it, and really going for it. We've had to test fit the bumpers, we've filled, we've cacked, we've ground, we've filled, we've had the doors off, we've cut through it in places, we've made the right mess. I've still got some bits of welding to do on the B-posts and the top of the roof, but we need to get it down off these ramps, and he's finding it a bit easier to do it when it's up here. So from that point of view, I'd like to say I hope it's starting to look more like a car, and we can start having sort of those comments, was it? My God, that's looking good. Or like, yeah. So anyway, Gap's coming on nicely. He's got a thing about gaps. He's trying to make them really good, my boy. So hopefully we'll, as I say, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're like British Rail. We're getting there. Edge Shed trimming department. So the Edge Shed trimming department consists of a very cheap piece of hardboard from Home Bargains, or a proper job. Actually, they're a really good proper job. And then you lay the original out on top, right? And you just mark around it with a pen, which you can get from Proper Job, again, for £1. I mean, I don't quite understand how they can charge £10,000 to do this, but that you get 10 of those for £1. But then what you do is you cut them out roughly. Now, you probably all can hear from my voice, I've actually been having a drink. And the reason I've had a drink is because I've had a reaction to my second COVID jab, and I just feel like I'm out here forcing myself to do this, because you know what? There's only me out here doing this, but I've got my right-hand man in there doing that. Now you can hear loads of grinding. He's very shy. He doesn't like to be on camera. But let's go around the car really quickly and just look at what we're achieving. Now I know all the people are going to go, yeah, but yeah. You know what? I'd like to point out to you, it would start with an F and end with a U, right? Because this is as good as we're going to get. And you know what, guys? This is 2 days. Now, I had someone quote me to do this job. And how much did they say? £15,000 to paint a car worth 20 grand. And they said that would be subject to any undisclosed damage that they might find that might need attention. So, you know what? There's some lemmings out there, mate, and I ain't one of them. So, ours is going to come out good. She's looking good at the moment. We're looking incredibly good. And we've only been doing really 3 days, haven't we? It's only 3 days. Yeah. That's 3 days of doing bits and pieces. And you know what, guys? I mean, we got some good gaps. We got good things. And the fact that I'm doing the trim means that actually, and I know you guys are going to go like, oh, yeah. No, do you know what? Actually, the fact we're doing the trim means one bloody reason is because this thing, hopefully by the end of this weekend, is going to have a coat of primer on it. And it's going to have a coat of primer on it with a Proper Job 4-inch roller. 2-pack. 2-pack, as Tupac would say. You know what I mean? Better days. And I'll tell you what, there ain't no way I'd rather be than chilling in my garage with family, welding up a scrap E Type, because that's what you all said it was. But I think you guys are going to be a bit shocked, actually. I actually think you guys are going to be more than shocked, because guess what? She's coming on really well. And at the end of the day, guys, you ain't got to worry. It ain't your problem, is it? It's mine. And if I can get this thing back together, and I can get this thing down on its wheels within the next couple of days, then I'm going to actually have a first drive down the road there. But I do want to get some primer on it first. But I'll tell you what, guys, she's looking absolutely stunning. The only thing it's missing is one carburetor. Yeah, eat your eye out, guys. I'm not paying £4,500 for a set of bloody carburetors. And I can't rebuild those ones, and that manifold's bollocks, it's broke, it's cracked underneath. So do you know what? I can weld it up. I can weld it up any time. But at the moment, I'm just putting this thing together for one reason, which is to get it done. And I think, for all the people going to go, yeah. Well, listen, guys, unless you live with the restoration company to restore your vehicle, you don't see what they're doing. Unless you live with the trimmer, you don't see what they're doing. You don't see how they make the trim panels for your car, do you? You don't actually see it because you think they know what they're doing. You think they're professionals. They got a good reputation. Yeah. Well, guess what, guys? They do exactly the same as I'm doing it. They might use more expensive hardboard just because they can charge you to justify it. But they could go to a proper job and buy the same crap I've done, which has meant I've done the whole back of this car for what, $4.99? Yeah, guys. Do you know what? I don't care, mate. I just think it's sad. It's sad that, you know, we've lost that skill. And the skill that we had, well, some people never had it anyway, but hey, guess what? I didn't lose it. I didn't ever have it. I just had the will to say, never say I can't do something. And do you know what's really going to hack me off? I think whether you get this, I don't know. I thought I threw the windscreen out. But do you know when I was searching for something else today for the BMW project, guess what I found? I found the bloody windscreen, and all it has is a crack down the driver's side. So I could have solved an awful lot of stress by worrying about that roof fit. But anyway, it doesn't matter, guys, because what I'm going to say is, look, I think I'll take you once round it, right? Gap side look good, doors open and close. Things looking good, Tacking a lot of that, we had to take a lot of that out and put it back in again, but hey, that's alright. Back wing, a lot of tack. Doors, as you know, they were horrid. Bonnet, you know, was horrid. And, do you know what, guys? Even if you don't like it, you've got to say one thing. At least I'm bloody doing it. What are you doing? Watching Coronation Street or Avondale? Good luck, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.